Gelsemium, the fever of fear. In a narrow lane near the stand of trekkers rest. A humble chamber offers healing, simple yet blessed. Not for wealth, nor for grandiose song, but for serving the weak who suffer long. A figure enters, trembling, slow. Eyes half closed, lids heavy, head bowed low. No fire of rage, no thirst of flame, but languor deep, Gelsemium's name. A viral fever creeps through veins. Weakness spreading, soft as chains. The body shivers, though no icy air. The chill runs deep, yet warmth is rare. Fear of exams, dread of stage. Anxious heart trapped in timid cage. Words forget, mind turns dim. Confidence lost, vision grows grim. A drowsy stupor, sleep half-wake. Limbs too heavy, no strength to take. No hunger calls, no thirst to claim. Tongue feels dry, yet no drinks flame. Face dull yellow, expression weak. Pulse so slow, the spirit meek. Cold damp skin, with sweat so slight. A faintness worse in warmth of night. Constitution frail, of nervous frame. Prone to catarrh, and fevers the same. Diathesis points to nervous fall. A psychotic taint shadows it all. Uncommon hints, the eyelids droop. Muscles refuse to lift or stoop. Vertigo worsens with eyes that gaze. Shivering tremors cloud the days. No fiery thirst, unlike burning flame. No craving spice, no sweets to claim. Light food passes, appetite small. Weak digestion embraces all. Where soric restlessness meets psychotic ground. And fear of failure echoes around. In this silent frame, one remedy clear. Gelsemium speaks, the similimum near. The healer listens, heart so kind. Serving the poor with peaceful mind. Coins are few, but service grand. Healing souls with gentle hand. No marble walls, no shining light. Only faith and knowledge bright. From that lane near Magrahat's stand, hope arises, subtle yet grand. Thus Gelsemium's gift in verse we sing. How one small dose relief can bring. From trembling fear to fever's fall. One gentle remedy embraces all. Voice by Anki Najneen.